Manufactured in Canada, the Flight Dental Systems LED Retrofit Kit offers the perfect solution to upgrade your existing dental halogen lights to LED. It takes less than 30 minutes for one of our qualified technicians to install a new LED light onto your existing halogen light arms. The great thing about this kit is that most of your existing system is reused because we only replace the head portion of the light. This significantly helps reduce excessive landfill waste and makes it the most economic way for you to enjoy the benefits of LED illumination without any downtime and costly parts. We offer two styles of LED lights. The standard LED light is our torch LED with hands-free no-touch on-off control and an 8,000 to 30,000 lux intensity adjustment. If you require color control or cure-safe illumination, we offer the Iris LED with color control from 4,200 to 6,000 Kelvin and an intensity of 8,000 to 35,000 lux. These kits can be mounted on a chair, ceiling, wall, cabinet, or track light arms. The benefits of LED lighting are endless. You can enjoy less eye strain as a result of the brighter, color-corrected illumination. LEDs also have a longer life expectancy and consume as little as 20% of the energy compared to halogen lights. Because LEDs last much longer than halogen bulbs, it reduces the chance of unexpected bulb burnout. Our kits come with a 1-year warranty, and if an individual diode does need to be replaced, it can be done very economically in a matter of minutes. And because there are multiple diodes, if one diode does need replacing, the rest of the system is still usable. The retrofit